Warning, flashing lights up next. Continue with caution, caution, caution. Look at those bikes! Oh, look at those bikes! Yo, they're so, like, flashing stuff. Seriously, look at that! Yo! Whoa! Oh, and that girl's beating up his brother. With a light-up sword. Wow, okay. But seriously, those bikes are sick. Literally, there's flashing lights everywhere, so I tell you, caution. Continue with caution. Everything gonna be flashy. It's crazy. I know. Wait, it's so dark right now. So we're gonna have fireworks pretty soon. Seriously though, look at these bikes. I don't know if you guys see, but it's really bikes. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. See that, see that, see that, see that, see that right there? That's a UFO. I'm just kidding, that's a plane. That's obviously a plane. Why would there be a UFO in Washington, D.C.? Whoa, 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 flashing light! Oh, snap, alright, and flashing lights everywhere. What is that? Dun, 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 dun. Flashing lights. Ah, the flashing lights! Oh my gosh, they're so Nah, I don't talk like that. I mean, I love this music they have here. You know, I'm just pointing the camera at the grass. If you guys don't see the grass, then I advise you to look at the grass, boy. Alright. I wish I could, like... Oh. This is obviously the grass. Flashing light, and the grass, and then the grass, and now it's dark. Oh. And I dropped the phone. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. Bye. Whoa. How'd you like that? Yeah? How about this? Man, where are those fireworks? Ah. Where'd it go? I missed it. Yeah. They didn't even launch it. Ah. Here we go. 4. Okay, here we go, guys. Watch this. What? Whoa! Oh, snap. That was awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, my goodness. That's so cool. Oh, my gosh. It's loud. Woo! Oh, that's loud. Oh. Woo! I love this. It's so awesome. Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh man, this is a beautiful sight. Ah! Woo! Oh! This is so cool. This is the appropriate song. Oh, snap. Hands up, bring the song. Oh, that is awesome! Woo! Oh, snap! Oh, snap! I'm so glad we went to Washington, D.C. for 4th of July. We were actually thinking about going to the Philippines. Oh my goodness, it's actually... Whoa! Oh my gosh, they're actually smelling something. This is awesome. Whoa, it looks like eyeballs. Oh. Oh, snap. This is beautiful. This is awesome. Oh yeah. How are they doing these shapes? Oh! That looks so cool. It's like cubes and stuff. Oh, smiley face! Smiley face! Emojis! Yes! Woo! Yes, 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 my dude! This is a beautiful sight. Oh, this is so awesome. I'm actually pulling grass. Oh, snap. That's loud. Whew, 9 whole minutes of this. Woo! My max recording is only 15 minutes. I don't know if I can make it. Oh, this is awesome. Than in camera, so I'm sorry if you hate the view, because I can see better. Yes! Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, pink! Woo! Oh, this is awesome. This is taking a while, isn't it?
Should have brought the tripod.
For what? Oh, this is cool. even know. I can make your hands clap. I can make your hands clap. Let's go, baby. Oh, that's awesome. I can make your hands clap. Dang, son. It's not over yet. Woo! That's so cool how it changes colors.